Welcome back to today's more report on Wednesday the 5th of August with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Antec Markets. We've seen euro dollar starting to drop away again now, and that's come as this dollar strengthened. Momentum indicators are falling away. MACD lines just slightly turning over, but the stochastics are leading the charge, and certainly the RSI sort of with it as well. And certainly I think now the breakdown back below 108.90. There was a minor support in place, but that got broken yesterday and sort of continued today, and I think that sort of reopens these lows that we've got around 108.10 to 108.20 in place as the March and July lows, and it certainly looks like these levels are going to get tested. If they do break down, then you're sort of looking back at levels not seen since April-March time. Initially 106.58, but 105.20 is that April low, and then a little bit further back you see the March lows at 104.60 area. So it certainly looks like the downside pressure is growing now for the euro once again, and the momentum indicators and everything are backing that assertion as well. So you'd be looking at selling into strength really. You've got the hourly chart here. This is the chart over the past couple of weeks or so. Sharp downside move yesterday on those Lockhart comments. Broke that initial support at 108.90. That now becomes a resistance. So old support becomes new resistance, and even then overnight that has been the case, slightly being the new resistance. So that is your initial line to watch out for as this potentially this RSI unwinds. But to be honest, the momentum looks pretty negative. I'd be using any sort of intraday rally as a chance to sell. 108.90 I think is a decent area now. 109.30 as well. 109.20.30 is a little minor resistance as well on the way down. Was supported, but now that should turn into resistance. So a couple of levels for you to work with as rally highs, rally potential, but I would see them as getting sold into. So if the hourly RSI does unwind, which it could do, it could sort of unwind and just to drag away from 30, but it would, as I said, I think it would only be a minor bounce before further downside pressure in due course. Now, in terms of where this chart would turn around, well, you'd certainly say there is resistance around that sort of 110 mark. But again, you're sort of looking back at the pivot level at 110.50 and even the 111 resistance, which is pretty strong now on this chart. 111 seems to be in place as the resistance again. So I wish you good luck in your trading on euro dollar today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.